Breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out through your mouth. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out through your mouth. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Sense this area. What do you feel? Stillness or a feeling running through your hair? Breathe, and as you breathe, relax the top of your head. Continue to breathe and move your attention to the side of your head in your ears. What do you sense? Do you hear anything? Now bring your attention to the neck and throat. Let them be soft. Relax. Soften your jaw. Let your face and facial muscles be soft. Smile softly and gently. Notice your back against the chair. Bring your attention into your stomach area. If your stomach is tense or tight, let it soften. Take a breath. Notice your hands. Are your hands tense or tight? See if you can allow them to soften. Notice your arms. Feel any sensation in your arms. Let your shoulders be soft. Bring your attention to your legs and your feet. Feel your feet touching the ground and making a connection with it. Now notice your whole body present. Take one more breath. Be aware of your whole body as best you can. Take a breath, and then, when you're ready, you can open your eyes.
Now everyone relaxed.
Welcome back, boys and girls, to another episode of.
Now everyone relaxed. Now open your GK book, chapter number 5, on the western coast. On the western coast. Girls, in this chapter, only we have to read and you have to underline the important points. From this chapter, you have to underline the important points. First, there are many states on the coast of India. Here are some interesting facts about the western coastal states of Maharashtra, Goa, and Gujarat. Maharashtra has the longest road network in India with a total road length of over 2,67,500 kilometers. Girls, underline that Maharashtra has the largest road network in India. And the length over 2,67,500 kilometers. It comes in the fill-ups like that. Which is the largest road network in India? You have to write Maharashtra. And the length of total road length of over 2,67,500 kilometers. And in Maharashtra, there are 18 national highways and many state highways. 18 national highways This is chapter number 5 on the western coast. Now, second point, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, located in Navi, Mumbai, is the largest container port in India. So, where is Jawaharlal Nehru Port located? In Navi. Underline this. Mumbai is the largest container port in India. Look at the picture at the side. Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Nhava Sheva. Look at the picture. And it is located in Navi. It is located in Navi. Next one, Lonar Lake. Lonar Lake, located at Lonar in Buldhana district, was created by a meteor hitting the earth. It is the only known hypervelocity impact crater in basaltic rock anywhere on earth. Third point, strange but true. All houses in Sahani, Singapore have no doors. It is a village situated in Naivasa Taluka in Ahmednagar district. It is famous for temple dedicated to Shy planet Saturn. Houses with no door. बच्चे यहाँ पे house बताया हुआ है picture में with the house with no door. House with no door. So next, the dead body of Saint Francis Xavier is preserved in Basilica of Bon Jesus Crutch. The church is a symbol of old Goa, showing the glimpse of Portuguese tradition. So, the next one, the first painting press of Asia was installed at St. Paul's College in Goa in 1956. First printing press. Okay. First printing press of Asia was installed at St. Paul's College in Goa in 1956. Delton Caravilla is Asia's only floating casino and is located in the coastal waters of Panaji in Goa. This is page number 11. Bache, this is the new book. Next, Gandhinagar, capital of Gujarat. Underline this. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat and is the greatest capital city in the whole of Asia. Next, pilots. Goa is the only place where one can hire a two-wheeler taxi called pilots. बच्चे गोवा में ही एक ओनली प्लेस है where one can hire मतलब कि आप वहां जाते हो, you can hire कि आप उसको रेंट मतलब कि आप उसको डेली एक आप बाइक्स को आप हायर कर सकते हो, टू व्हीलर टैक्सी कॉल्ड पायलट्स. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? पायलट्स. These motorcycle taxis are a cheap form of transport. और ये जो है वो cheap form of transport है and are identified by the yellow license plates. और इसके ऊपर येलो कलर की प्लेट लगी होती है, वो लाइसेंस प्लेट है. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? लाइसेंस प्लेट. It is given in the picture also. Gujarat has 18 airports. गुजरात में बेटा कितने एयरपोर्ट्स हैं? 18. Which make it the state with the highest number of operating airports in India. The world's largest ship-breaking yard is in Gujarat, near Bhavnagar at Alang. And last one, Gujarat is the largest producer of milk in India. Gujarat is the largest producer of milk in India. बच्चे बाद में आप पेज नंबर 10, पेज नंबर 11 को दोबारा से रीड करोगे, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स को अंडरलाइन करोगे. ओके, ये सिर्फ पेजेस जो हैं, इन पेजेस में से आपको फिलअप्स आ सकते हैं. Now come to the chapter number 6, commissioned ranks. Come to chapter number 6, commissioned ranks. The Indian armed forces are the military forces of India. They consist of army, navy, and air force. The President of India is the supreme commander of the Indian Air Forces. So here are the commissioned ranks in the 3 services. Now you can complete each column. I'm going to share a screen with you. Now look at this. Let's come. Girls, after this, we will do the maths, okay? Now come to this. Now look at this journal. Here, Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force. First one, Field Marshal, Admiral of the Fleet, Marshal of the Air Force. Journal. Girls, it is given in the book also. This is given in your book also. You have to fill. Okay, I will send you this afterwards. You can complete your book. This page. Page number 12. Journal. Then Navy. Blank is there in your book. Write down Admiral. A-D-M-I-R-A-L. And Air Chief Marshal. Indian Army, next is Lieutenant General, Vice Admiral, and dash is there. Write down Air Marshal. Next, blank, third one, blank is there in your book. You can write down Major General. Third one, Major General, Rear Admiral, and Air Vice Marshal. Then Brigadier. Wait a minute. Then Brigadier, Commodore. Next, Air, blank is there. You can write down Air, C-O-M-M-O-D-O-R-E. Commodore. Next, fifth one, write down Colonel. Blank is there. Write down Colonel. Captain, Group Captain. Lieutenant Colonel. And blank is there. Write down Commander. In the blank, you write down Commander. Then, girls, next one is Major. Lieutenant Commander is given. You can write down. It is not in the this one. I will give you both the sheets. Okay, you can do this. If you have not written, don't worry. I will send you. Fine. Now come to 8th one, 7th one. Write down Major, Lieutenant Commander. Then now I am going to write down SQUADRON, Squadron Leader. 7th one, write down. I am going to spell the spellings. SQUADRON. I repeat, SQUADRON, Squadron Leader. 8th one, write down Captain. CAPTAIN. 8th one, write down Captain. CAPTAIN. And the 9th one, Lieutenant. नेवी में लिखो बेटा सब लेफ्टिनेंट. SUB LIEUTENANT. 9th one, write down sub lieutenant. SUB LIEUTENANT. Complete this fast. Now I am going to read first one. First one में बेटा blank में लिखो ADMIRAL. ADMIRAL. Second blank में लिखो Air Marshal. AIRMARSHAL. सेकंड में लिखो बेटा एयर मार्शल. AIRMARSHAL. थर्ड में लिखो बेटा मेजर जनरल. MAJORGENERAL. थर्ड में लिखो बेटा मेजर जनरल. फोर्थ में लिखो, सुंदरदीप लिख रहे हो बेटा? फोर्थ में लिखो एयर कमांड. एयर AIRCOMMODORE. फोर्थ में लिखो बेटा एयर COMMODORE. This is chapter number 6. Fifth one, write down Colonel. 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 Sixth blank में लिखो Commander. 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 Seventh में लिखो बेटा Squadron Leader. SQUADRON. SQUA. नमिता बेटा लिखो SQUADRON. लीडर. LEADER. शीर्जा लिख रहे हो? 8th one captain. 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 And last one sub lieutenant. SUB LIEUTENANT. Okay. Now, this question, just find out what is the naval branch of Indian Armed Force called. Okay, next time we will discuss this. You can write. And the next chapter, chapter number 7, the new 7 wonders of the world. Okay, I'm going to show you one video. Please have a look. 7 wonders of the world. Now look at the 7 wonders of the world.
Citadel was later abandoned by the Incas. The site remained unknown except to locals until 1911, when it was rediscovered by archaeologist Hiram Bingham.
The chapter is 7 wonders of the world.
In 2007, more than 100 million people voted to declare the new 7 wonders of the world. The following list of 7 winners is presented without ranking and aims to present global heritage. Great Wall of China. Built between the 5th century BC and the 16th century, the Great Wall of China is a stone and earth fortification created to protect the borders of the Chinese Empire from invading Mongols. The Great Wall is actually a succession of multiple walls spanning approximately 4,000 miles, making it the world's longest man-made structure. The Roman Colosseum, Rome. Built between 70 AD and 80 AD, it wasn't used for some 500 years. The elliptical structure sat nearly 50,000 spectators who gathered to watch the gladiatorial events as well as other public spectacles, including battle reenactments, animal hunts, and executions. Earthquakes and stone robbers have left the Colosseum in a state of ruin, but portions of the structure remain open to tourists, and its design still influences the construction of modern-day amphitheaters some 2,000 years later. Christ the Redeemer statue, Rio de Janeiro. Christ the Redeemer statue has been looming over the Brazilians from upon Corcovado Mountain in an awe-inspiring state of eternal blessing since 1931. The 130-foot reinforced concrete and soapstone statue was designed by Heitor da Silva Costa and cost approximately $250,000 to build. The statue has become an easily recognized icon for Rio and Brazil. Machu Picchu, Peru. Machu Picchu, an Incan city of sparkling granite precariously perched between 2 towering Andean peaks, is thought by scholars to have been a sacred archaeological center for the nearby Incan capital of Cusco. Built at the peak of the Incan Empire in the mid-1400s, this mountain citadel was later abandoned by the Incas. The site remained unknown except to locals until 1911, when it was rediscovered by archaeologist Hiram Bingham. Taj Mahal, Agra, India. A mausoleum commissioned for the wife of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, the Taj Mahal was built between 1632 and 1648. The white marble structure represents a number of architectural styles, including Persian, Islamic, Turkish, and Indian. The Taj Mahal also encompasses formal gardens of raised pathways, sunken flower beds, and a linear reflecting pool. Chichen Itza, Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico. The genius and adaptability of Mayan culture can be seen in the splendid ruins of Chichen Itza. This powerful city, a trading center for cloth, slaves, honey, and salt, flourished from approximately 800 to 1200 and acted as the political and economic hub of the Mayan civilization. The most familiar ruin at the site is El Caracal, a sophisticated astronomical observatory. Petra, Jordan. Declared a World Heritage Site in 1985, Petra was the capital of the Nabatean Empire of King Aretas IV. The members of this civilization proved to be early experts in manipulating water technology, constructing intricate tunnels and water chambers, which helped create an pseudo-oasis. A number of incredible structures carved into stone, a 4,000-seat amphitheater, and the El Dir Monastery have also helped the site earn its fame.
Now girls, Ayat, sit properly. Now you have to complete the 7 wonders of the world. First one, yes, write down the answer. I'm going to write it on the whiteboard. You can write the answers of chapter number 7. Girls, if the meeting be over, you have to join the meeting again. Now write down. Now have a look. Write down chapter number 7, first answer. First answer, bache, Great Wall of China. Write down. First answer is Great Wall of China. Second, write down. Yes, very good. You know the answers. Christ The Ridmer. Third one, Machu Picchu. Fourth one, write down. Fifth one, Roman. Everyone write down. Then yes, seventh one, write down Petra. Sixth one, first you write down the one. Sixth one is Taj Mahal. Sixth one is Taj Mahal. Seventh one, Petra. Write down. Now sixth one, write down Taj Mahal. Seventh one, Petra, Petra, Petra. Now guys, listen. After this, you have to join the class again. We will do maths. Now, look here. Girls, for this, we have done 7 wonders of the world. Next chapter is 8th chapter. You have to read by yourself. 8 and 9. You have to read chapter number 8 and chapter number 9. Okay, chapter. Now, if the meeting ends, you have to join the meeting again. Now come to the maths. Everyone, keep ready your maths book. Last time, we did HCF. Okay, now today we will do the multiples. Exercise 3.4. We will do exercise 3.4. Keep your pen, notebook ready. Everyone, keep your notebook and pen ready. Today we will do exercise 3.4. Now let me know, what are multiples? What are? Yes, you try in your rough notebook. Afterwards, I will send you the notes. And GK one, I will send you all the answers again. Don't worry about that. Okay. So exercise 3.4, question number 1. Write the first 5 multiples of the following number.